Hi, Ave. The next sound we are working with is on page 29. It's the L sound. When the letter L is next to another L, or when L is next to another L, the sound does not change at all. It still sounds like L. Okay? So let's make the sounds in those words. B, A, L, bell. T, O, tall. We know that this is the word all, and when we put a t in front of all, the word we get is tall. We know here that the letter A is using a borrowed sound, and that is what these two lines in the coding are showing us, that the letter A in the word tall makes a sound that does not belong to it. It sounds like O. So t, O, tall. T, all, tall. So we can code the word differently, but it still sounds like the same word that we have built from those sounds. Number 3, B, all, ball. B, all, ball. T, L, tell. I, ill. F, full. Okay? On page 30, we have a K for cat and a K for kite next to each other. When the letter C and the letter K are next to each other, the sound does not change. The sound still sounds like K. So C and K, or K for cat and K for kite next to each other, still makes the K sound. Let's make the sounds. B, A, K, back. P, A, K, pack. N, E, K, neck. D, A, K, duck. S, I, K, sick. K, I, K, kick. So let's go look at some sentences for K and some sentences for L. Your sentences for L will be on page 40. Your sentences for L will be on page 40. I'm going to read through them first, and then we are going to come back and break down the sounds. At my school, the bell rings at 7:30 in the morning. A giraffe is very tall because of its extremely long neck. The shape of a soccer ball is a sphere, but a rugby ball is oval shaped. I do not keep secrets from my mom. I tell her everything. I went to the doctor because I was feeling ill. My cup of tea is too full. And on page 41, you have the sentences for K. I'm going to read through them. Number 1, I have my best friend's back and she has mine. I like to pack my books in a very neat stack. A giraffe has an extremely long neck. That's why it is so tall. A duck looks very still while it pedals its feet under the water. I was very sick with flu last week. The winning soccer team scored their winning goal from a free kick. Gonna go through the sounds now. I, H, A, V, M, I, B, est, fr, end, z, b, a, k, and, sh, I, H, A, Z, M, I, N. I, L, I, K, T, U, p, a, k, m, I, b, u, k, s, I, n, a, v, e, r, n, I, t, st, a, k, a, j, I, r, a, f, h, as, a, n, e, x, dr, I, m, li, l, on, g, n, e, k, v, at, s, w, I, t, I, z, s, o, t, all. A, d, a, k, l, u, k, s, v, e, r, st, I, l, w, I, l, I, t, p, e, d, a, l, z, it, s, f, I, t, a, n, d, v, e, w, o, t, I, w, a, z, v, e, r, s, I, k, w, I, th, f, u, l, a, st, w, I, k, v, e, w, I, n, ing, s, o, k, t, im, s, k, or, d, v, a, w, I, n, ing, g, o, l, f, o, m, a, f, I, k, I, k, a, t, m, I, s, k, u, l, v, e, b, e, l, r, ing, z, at 7:30 I, n, v, e, m, or, n, ing, a, j, I, r, a, f, I, z, v, e, r, v, e, r, t, all, b, k, o, z, o, f, I, t, s, e, x, dr, I, m, li, l, on, g, n, e, k, v, e, sh, a, p, o, f, a, s, o, k, b, all, I, z, a, s, f, I, r, b, a, t, a, r, a, g, b, I, b, all, I, z, o, v, a, l, sh, a, p, d, I, d, u, n, o, t, k, I, p, s, I, k, I, t, s, f, o, m, I, m, a, m, I, t, a, l, h, e, v, r, th, ing, I, w, e, n, t, u, v, e, d, o, k, t, b, k, o, z, I, w, a, z, f, I, l, ing, I, l, m, I, k, a, p, o, f, t, I, z, t, u, f, u, l. Okay, so you're going to write those out for me. Sentences for l, go to page 40, and on page 41, we have sentences for k. And I'll see you on Friday. Peace out. Happy catching up. Bye.